You had topic English is good or not. What is the importance of English? I also provide you some thoughts for it. Okay, you are a student and you are studying here, and might be in 12th standard till 12th standard you get only your syllabus, your own English books, you can find some English. But afterwards, when you start your higher education, it is just impossible to learn without having knowledge about English, because all the books, whatever you the subject you take, suppose that if you choose the medical field, then definitely all the books you will find in English term. If you go for law, all the books of law you can find in which language? In English. Higher you know that lower court and high court. Lower court you can find in Hindi tracking, but high court you can't speak Hindi in high court. Even all the script writing in English language, and Supreme Court only in English language they provide. Otherwise you can find anything like CA, chartered accountant. If you wish to be that, definitely all the books you can find in similar language. Okay, let's suppose you wish to roam anywhere. If you have money to go and you wish to go anywhere, somewhere else, you can find the hill stations. Then most of the foreigners you can find was there. You can go the hill station in the vacation time, and this is the season time. You can find everywhere 20%, 10 to 20% foreigners there. You can't talk with them without having the knowledge of English. मैं बहुत धीमे धीमे बोल रहा हूँ ताकि आप easily understand कर लो. ठीक है? You can't talk with them in Hindi language. Why? Because each and everybody, if suppose that if somebody have a question to ask, if suppose that you have question to ask somebody, how will you ask if you don't have knowledge about? But suppose in India, if I'm talking about, then so many states, when you go for south, so there are too many temples, Jagannath Puri and many other. But when you go, nobody knows your Hindi language. Why? Because there is only one tongue, their Malayalam. They know about that language, either their language, local language, or English language. When you don't know English, you can't talk with them. You can't even demand the food, water. So they are hue and cry without the help of this language. So this type of thing you can feel everywhere. If suppose you want some specific knowledge, but the problem in India, there are only few teachers, only few trainers. Those can provide you that knowledge. Either you have few trainers or you have a lot of trainers, but they are not Indian. But they they can provide you very good knowledge about that subject. But only lack of this language, only the knowledge of this language, you can't take their courses. Why? Because they are all the courses in English language and you don't know English. So that's why you can't attempt that courses. So this is also the problem. Most of the students, they are not surviving. They get less marks in all the higher education, not because they have less knowledge about their subject. Why they have less marks? Because they have less knowledge about English language. उनको अपने particular subject की knowledge है. If this question or this books in Hindi, then you can find, you can reply, you can get good marks in your subject. But the problem is that these questions asked in English, all the script you can find in English, and you have so much problem with that language. Each and every line you have some meaning, which meaning you don't know. Okay, then always you need to search the dictionary, and you take approximate 3 to 4 hours. You need to waste this time because you are searching in English language. आप हर चीज को हिंदी में डिक्शनरी में सर्च करना पड़ता है. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो द वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट एजुकेशन. क्योंकि आप अगर इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट लैंग्वेज, इफ सपोज दैट दे आर द साउथर्न एरिया स्टूडेंट, their English is good, so they don't have need to search the dictionary to learn. So they learn approximate 3 to 4 hours more in compared to you. वो 3 से 4 घंटे ज्यादा पढ़ते हैं आपसे. Why? Because they have command of this language. So that's why I am saying that this is the biggest problem. You need to communicate, you need to understand in that